Okay, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the flash guns. I'm aware that the picture's in reverse, so please bear with me. So first thing you need to do is obviously turn the flash gun on, which is this button here, your on off button. Okay, then you can decide what mode you want to be in. So if I could just click on mode, which is there, mode, you will find ETL comes up. You've also got manual, and you've got multi-flash on some of the other flash guns. So ETTL is evaluative through the lens, and that's like your automatic mode. So the flash gun decides how much power to give out, or you can put it on manual mode where you decide what the power output is. So on here it's reading 132, so that's quite a weak power. To change the power, I'm going to click on set. I'm going to hold that down. So I clicked on set, which is that button in the middle, held it down, and then you'll see that my 132 is starting to flash. I then use the arrows and I can adjust the power in 1/3 increments. Just do that again. So you can see the numbers starting to change. So I've got 1/8 power, 1/4 power, 1/2 power, and then a full, that's full power. 1/1 is full power. So I take you back through it. So I can go 1/2 power, 1/4 power, so it's getting weaker, 1/8 power, 1/16 power, 1/32 power. And I think that's the last one for this, which is 1/64, so that is your weakest. So the bigger the number, the weaker the flash power is going to be. Okay. You've also got the zoom, which is here, zoom, and you need to press that down. And if you keep clicking, it's not working. And then you use the arrow buttons, you can see that that number's changing. Oh, can you see? Okay, and what the zoom does, it decides how much the flash, how wide the flash is going to come out. If it's a lower number, the flash is going to come out really wide. It's going to spread out further. If the number is a high number, the flash is going to more sort of come out this way. So it's going to be more direct. So you can choose to have it nice wide, the flash coming out, or more direct. So the numbers wise, at 105, that's a high number, it's going to be more coming out like this. Okay, at a weaker number, if I change that, so I click on zoom, and then if I change this, and it will take me to 24. At 24 millimeters, it's going to be nice and spread out. Okay, right. Last thing is how you use the high sync, which is this button here, high sync. Okay, if you click on here, you'll get a little H button, and that means that the high sync is on. We'll be covering this in class, but basically if you're using a shutter speed that is over 200th of a second, you need to put high sync on, or you'll end up with black bands on your photograph, which we'll go over in lesson. Right, that is the basics of how to use the flash gun. Obviously you might need to put it on a stand. I've just used a foot, you can see from the side, but you might want to be putting this on a stand, and then obviously you might want to start to add your modifiers to soften the light. Okay, so that is how you use the flash gun.